Hi, I'm Lynette Wolff.
And I'm Brian Wolff.
We're the Wolff couple.
Oh.
Howling for your success.
That's right.
That's right. Now here's something we have never done before.
Yes, it's the first time ever. How would you like to role play in real time with the Wolff couple?
And Ron LeGrand.
Yes, and Ron too. Guys, this is the first time ever we've ever done this. So we want you to join us for this once in a lifetime opportunity to really learn the words that lead to wealth.
Role-playing is the #1 best way to learn on the whole planet.
Yes, guys, in this one session, you're going to be absolutely amazed at how much your skills will improve. What do you need in the beginning? 2 things, confidence and phone skills. What is the easiest way to get those? Role-playing. You're going to love this session.
So don't you dare miss out.
Nope, we'll see you there with Ron and us role-playing, and it'll be so exciting. Can't wait.
See you then.